Welcome to this demo video showcasing application lifecycle management within the NetApp Kubernetes service, or more affectionately known as NKS. In the new application lifecycle management toolset from NKS, developers can easily deploy any code with almost no knowledge of Kubernetes required. Setting up a new application is easy. Just click the Add Solution button, then the Application button. Give your application a name. Alter our handy defaults for controlling updates and resources. Set up auto-scaling. And go. We even set up a Git remote server for you in your cluster so you can push your code using whatever tools you prefer. Your code is automatically updated and deployed. You can view deployments and additional information for your application, such as health status and traffic data, which is coming soon, as well as additional monitoring for Kubernetes objects that are related to your application. Click the Ingress link to see your code in action. Let's head back to Project Overview. The application itself is just one kind of solution that can be created within an NKS project. But there are two kinds of solutions developers can install in their projects. Package solutions allow you to install a Helm chart from a trusted registry or repository. We've already done a lot of the heavy lifting for you by connecting our trusted charts repository that allows you to install many of the solutions already featured on NKS. If we click on the configure screen, you can see that we allow you to customize the name of the package, choose the versions, and edit the YAML configuration to take full advantage of whatever customizations you need. Over on the details page, you can see that once the package is created, we show you information about the package. And in the near future, we'll show you even more information, such as the health and status of all Kubernetes objects that make up this package. Now let's head back to the project overview. The final type of solution that developers can install into their projects is the tracker solution. If we look into the details, the tracker solution allows developers to install whatever they wish into the project namespace and track any associated labels. For now, we configure these labels when we create the solution, but developers will be able to adjust these labels at any point. All of these solutions are installed into a project. The project is a Kubernetes object that defines a namespace. In the settings, the project definition describes different resource limits and quotas, and used to govern limits and quotas for the solutions that exist within a project. Let's look at the collaborators. The project also defines the set of teams who have access to the project, and solutions installed in the project. This configuration can be inherited from a workspace or defined as a unique set of teams by the user. The project collaborator setup allows an NKS organization configuration and grouping to trickle all the way down into solution setup and configuration. Every user will be given keys and credentials according to their team and role assignments. Let's take a look at workspaces. Each project exists within a workspace, and workspaces may contain multiple clusters and projects, and that these are listed with convenient abbreviated and expanded summaries. If we click in to expand the project summary in the list, we can see that the summary provides a quick view of the status and details of all the solutions used in each project. Clicking on clusters, we can see that workspaces contain multiple clusters, which can be connected through an Istio mesh or federation using existing tools built into NKS. On collaborators, workspaces define sets of teams in the collaborators page, and this is provided as a default option for projects created within the workspace. This can be modified by owners and admins within that workspace. Let's take a look at the app management overview. Now, each user can pin individual workspaces of interest, allowing a more customized user experience regardless of the organization's size or complexity. The App Management Overview page provides quick access to the most important workspaces and roll-up health and status information for the entire organization. Let's click over and look at the V1 clusters. All of these features build on the existing cluster lifecycle management feature set NKS is already extremely well known for. The same clusters we saw in app management are also available here. Let's click on organization. Now, if you've already set up your organization and members and teams, then all of that configuration will come through to your app management projects. In workspaces, we can see also any workspaces that we've created are even more valuable. In the cluster list, let's review. Developers build clusters and install the new app management solution at the cluster level. Within app management, each user can customize their app management home page with pinned workspaces so they can quickly access the workspace and projects that they need. In workspaces, they contain clusters and projects that run on those clusters. And if we go into project workspaces and then into an actual project, we can see that projects contain solutions that make up the project, such as a website or a more complex service. And it's just worth noting there are three types of solutions: applications, trackers, and packages. Each solution makes it easy for developers to manage versions, deployments, and any updates to their code. All of this inherits everything NKS already knows about your organizations, teams, and roles setup. It's never been easier to get your team up and running on a cloud-native infrastructure, from zero to code in just a few clicks. Head over to cloud.netapp.com today to sign up for a free 30-day trial of NKS, join our Slack community, and follow us on Twitter @NetAppCloud.